Hi there and welcome back to Miriam's Manor. I am Miriam. Thank you so much for joining me again today. So today's video is going to be about Christmas decor. I have been working on a project that I want to show you guys, and I also have a couple of other decor ideas for Christmas that are cute and affordable that anyone can do. So check this out and let me know what you think. So my husband is helping me out for the first part of this project, and he is going to be cutting the pieces for me. So I wanted my box to be rectangular in shape, so I'm cutting two long pieces that are 4.5 feet long and two shorter ends that are 18 inches long. And here are the 4 pieces of wood cut. Next, we are applying some wood glue to the connecting edges, and then we're going to nail these together with the nail gun. We will repeat this process on all 4 sides and then hold all of the pieces together with some vice grips and allow it to set and dry about 30 minutes. So now it is time to make the front frame of this box. I'm taking 2-inch wide strips, cutting them at 45-degree angles, and going to glue them to the front of the box. Once the glue has set just a bit, we will also reinforce it with the nail gun. Now it is time to caulk the joints. I'm going to caulk every single joint in this wood piece. I am going to apply a thin layer of caulk, push it in with my finger into each crevice, and take a wet rag and wipe off the excess. It is important that you use a wet rag and wipe off the excess. That way when you go to paint it, you'll be applying your paint to a smooth surface and you won't be able to tell that there was a caulk line there. I'm going to repeat the same process on the front face of this as well, being sure to caulk that 45-degree joint as well as all the nail holes that you see present here. One of the things that I really love about this project is this piece is going to be so versatile. This is not just a piece that I will use at Christmas time. I can use this for Valentine's Day, Easter, definitely in the fall. I can hang different things from it, but also because it has a bottom, I can also use it as a shelf so that when I'm not decorating for seasonal decor, it's something that I can even put pictures in, larger picture frames in, and kind of lean it up against the wall like a picture rail. So it's just a very versatile piece that you'll be seeing me decorate throughout the year in different ways. I'm adding 2 coats of paint to this. I am also making sure to apply the hanging hooks in the back. And now it is time for me to measure everything out so that I can apply my hooks. You can use as many or as little hooks as you like in this project. For this year to start, I'm only using 3. So this next project is going to be very affordable because it's probably stuff you already have in your home that you can reuse, like these boxes. I'm going to take boxes that I already have around my home and then wrap them in really pretty wrapping paper. So I've made this bow and attached it to my basket. If you want to learn how to make this bow, you can check out my video called How to Make a Fall Bow, and it's the exact same concept, just different colors. So I got this basket from the Goodwill, spray painted it white to match my colors for the year, and attached the bow. And now I just put the presents in, and now I've got a cute little decor piece for my home that you can put by your stairs, by your Christmas tree, wherever you want to place it. So next I'm going to be making some small wreaths. I got this base at the Dollar Tree, obviously for $1, and I got this garland that's 9 feet. That's the Ashland brand at Michael's, and they have it on sale right now for $3.99. So it only cost $5 to make this wreath. Now all I'm going to do is wrap this garland around this wreath base until I finish up the complete circle. I did use the entire 9-foot strand for this one wreath. So this is what the wreath looks like once you're done wrapping, but now it's just time to shape it. So I want mine to just look like a round tight ball. So I'm just going to shape these pieces around, tuck them in place exactly the way that I want them. So once you're all done with that, decorate the wreaths to your liking and then hang them throughout the house. I'm going to show you guys a few different ways through these pictures of how you can use the wreaths in your home. You can definitely add them to a stair rail. I also have some pics where I'm going to show you how I've used them in my half bath as well as in my kitchen. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I just want to stop and give you all another quick thank you. You guys are just so lovely and amazing. You always just leave me the best comments and feedback. I truly do love and enjoy reading all your comments every day. So thank you so much for taking the time to speak life and joy into my life. It has truly been a blessing to me and my family. So thank you guys so much for that. Also, the next video that I have coming up will be another Christmas video. I'm going to be doing a tablescape as well as my fireplace mantle. So click on that notification bell if you don't want to miss that. Please give me a big thumbs up on this video, you guys. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to share and subscribe. And until I see you again, stay safe. God bless you. And I hope to see you back really soon. Bye.